Hello everyone. Today we will start with our fifth unit, The Balloon Man. It is a poem written by Rose Feldman. We will see the introduction of a poetess. She was an English writer and poet, famous for her work for children. At the age of 9, she first saw one of her composition published in local newspaper. Children, if you are fond of writing any article or short poem, you also can write it and give it to the editor of the local newspaper. She received her diploma as Associate of the Royal College of Music, London. She was most successful children writer of her generation. She was a teacher, translator, singer and lecturer. Now children, everybody has seen balloons, but I want to give some example like where you generally see the balloon and balloon man. We see balloon man at the gate of Kankaria Lake, garden, park, everywhere. Even we see the venue of the wedding also. Now, apart from that, you can see balloon at home also. Whenever we are having birthdays, our mother decorate the house with beautiful balloons. Even then, we can see balloons at in Uttarayan also, Makar Sankranti also. The very small children, those who cannot fly the kites, they just enjoy the day with the balloon and they fly the balloon up high up in the air. Now, apart from that, you can see the balloons at inauguration time also. A beautiful door is decorated at the time of inauguration of stores or shops, and you can blow the air in the balloon and you can flatten them. You can see the balloons that the balloon man is holding. Now you can flatten the balloon with the help of water also, that is used in Dhuleti time. At the day of Dhuleti, we just flatten the balloon with water. Now again another concept is that balloons are flattened with the helium gas also. In Kankaria you must have seen a huge helium gas balloon. In that we can go up at a certain height and from there you can take a view of the city, and you must have all ride in that helium balloon. Yes, that is a big huge balloon. Now you can see beautiful different pattern, different variety of pattern on some special occasion. Do you remember which occasion? Yes, you can see that pattern on the day of Independence Day and Republic Day. Now, the pattern is only a tricolored pattern. You can see a beautiful pattern of balloon with saffron, white and green. And another time you can see on the Christmas time, the houses are decorated with red and white balloons. Now again the question is that from where you get the balloon? You get the balloon from balloon man. A person who sells balloon is called balloon man. You can see the picture in your textbook as well as on the blackboard. Now this poem, the poetess has written this poem from the perspective of a young girl who tells about the balloon man in the market. Now we will start with our poem, The Balloon Man. He always comes on the market days and holds balloon a lovely bunch. Lovely means beautiful, something with beauty. You can see the beautiful balloons. Balloons are very lovely. A bunch. Bunch means cluster. It is tied together. A bunch of keys, bunch of bananas is a collective noun. And the market square. What is square? The place where four roads meet. Generally you see this type of structure where the four roads are meeting. This is a market square. And never seems to think of lunch. Here the girl is telling about the balloon man who always comes where there is a market on the neighborhood. He never thinks, the balloon man never thinks about the food or lunch. We'll go with our second stanza. There are red and purple, blue and green. The balloon man is bringing too many variety of colors of balloons. Here the girl is saying the balloon man is bringing red, purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. Here the girl is overjoyed with the seeing of that colors of balloons that the balloon man is holding. Now again further she says that when there is a sunny day, when there is a bright day, clear sky, there are lots many people and carts are in the market. But then also she can see the shining balloons from a far away, from a very far distance also she can see that. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Here the girl is saying balloons are, some are big, yes you can see some balloons are big and some are small, and they are all tied with a string. उसको सबको डोरी से बांधा हुआ रहता है with a thread. And there is a wind. If there is a wind, the balloons start to tug. To tug means to pull with a high energy and force. If the wind is coming from this side, the balloons will tug in the opposite direction. So it is difficult to hold the balloon man also. Tug means pull vigorously. Someday perhaps he'll let them go and we shall see them sailing high. And stand and watch them from below, they would look pretty in the sky. Here the girl is saying that she wishes that when the balloon man will leave the bunch of balloon free, means agar wo asman mein uda dega, he will let the balloon free. What will happen? She will stand on the ground and she will watch the balloons flying high up in the sky. Now another she is telling that the sky would look very pretty, very beautiful when the balloons are sailing there. Thank you.